I'm here next to the river Sabarmati in Ahmedabad, and today in this video I will go with this cruise ship and we will have a cruise dinner, and I'm really excited to know how is this cruise dinner. I know a cruise dinner from Dubai, but here in India I have no idea what to expect, so let's find out. Okay, they have here a waiting room and they give me some shikanji. I don't know what it is, but it's food.
Is it good?
Shikanji?
Yeah, it's shikanji.
Shikanji, no, I don't know.
It's not good?
Number 7. 7 is a lucky number, so let's see. I was just in the buffet and I was trying to get something to eat because I'm very hungry. I did not eat today all the day because I was working, and they said, no, give me 5 minutes, but I'm so hungry and all the good food is there, so I hope they will finish soon. And yeah, they say, don't take the food, don't take the food. I just asked him for food, but they brought me a drink. It's like, I don't know what it is. It's okay, but I want food. I want food. You have to eat like this in India. Very small water, but very spicy food. Good. Okay, I'm not able to eat more, but whenever you finish, then you need some dessert. So let's see if they have something.
This is also Indian.
Okay, now we are ready with the food, but I think they're upstairs in the deck. There's a party going on. Let's find out. And also, there is a local TV station, a news channel, that want an interview with me. So, yeah, let's see what they want. My name is Ronnie. I'm from Germany.
Okay. How are you feeling coming here in India and Gujarat, and especially in Ahmedabad and this riverfront?
Yeah, I'm really, really surprised about the people. They're very friendly.
Yeah.
About all the nice places that I saw. So this was a very nice cruise dinner. I had amazing food. Even a local television station asked me for an interview. So we made a good contact. I will explore more nice and secret places here in India, but later I go to Malaysia, I go to Singapore, I go to Laos, Cambodia, Thailand. So really subscribe, hit the notification bell, and always check the description of the video and the pinned comment. There might be something interesting for you. See you in the next video.